Welcome to another video featuring Draw Attention. In this video, I'm going to show you how a fashion blogger might make an outfit of the day style post and make the outfit really stand out. I'm going to show you how to make this post. She says, my friend Brendan is going on a walking date with his new girlfriend this weekend, so I helped him pick out this weather-appropriate outfit that's both casual and comfortable as well as being slightly dressy. Click on each part of his outfit to read more about it. Now, if you simply mouse over a piece, it'll give you the title, but if you click, it gives you a zoomed-in look with information about it and a link to the affiliate store. You can see we can do the same thing with the bag here, and then shoes as well. Each of them has a larger picture and a link to the affiliate store. So let me show you how we did this. We're in the Draw Attention admin area now. On the left, you can see Draw Attention, and we're under All Images. In the image we're working with, I titled White Top, Dark Pants. I've made two clickable areas here, and I'll show you how to make one in just a moment here. But if you open this up, you can go down and see that I have highlighted the hat. And then down below, I put in the title. And the action on click is to show more info. And here's that info that we saw when I made the window larger. Then this is just a screen capture I did. It's a plain image, it's just a little zoomed. Then we have another one here for the bag. And you can see I outlined the bag, and there's the title and description, etc. So let me show you how to make your own. I'm going to click Add Another Area, and we're going to do the shoes, except there's a lot of detail there, so what we want to do is zoom quite a bit. And then drag the image down until we're looking at just the shoes. There we are. And because it's neither a circle nor a square, we're going to use the polygon. And you can start anywhere you wish. Simply click and then move along the edge of the thing that you want to highlight. And you can be as precise or imprecise as you wish. You can make long lines, or you can make little short ones. It's entirely up to you. And we're getting near the end here. You can click inside this red area if you need to. And then to end it, you click the first one, and there we are. So now we put in the title and description. There's a description and a link to our affiliate. I'm actually going to copy that real quick. We'll use it again in a minute. And then the detail image. Now, I've already created one and uploaded it, so I'm going to go here, choose the shoe, and that's it. Now we can click Update, and now we have 3 clickable areas. But now we want to create that post. So let's go to Posts. We'll add a new post, put our title and content in, and now we want to put in the Draw Attention block. So I'm going to press / right here, and right there at the top is the Draw Attention image. Now, the interactivity doesn't work within the editor, so we're going to Publish and then View. And here it is. Now, the settings that I used put the information on the right. So when you click, it appears on the right there. However, that's awkward for the shoes because they're way down here and you have to scroll back up. So let me show you how to make the pop-up that was in the demo at the beginning. In the settings, there's a layout section, and right now it's on the right. And you can choose Lightbox and Update. And then the image gets a little wider because it can use that side space, and we get the pop-up. Now, another option, instead of a pop-up or being on the right, is actually going directly to the affiliate link. And I copied one earlier, but we're not going to use that one. We're going to use this one. We can switch the action to go to URL. And for the URL, we can put in our affiliate link and optionally open in new window. So let's save this and look at our post again. So now I'm going to click the hat, and we are at the MLB affiliate store. So it's really up to you what kind of presentation you want to make. If you want to have a comment about each piece in the pop-up, that's fine. or if you just simply want to make it easy for people to click and buy, or maybe you want them to go straight through to the affiliate link. That's entirely up to you. Either way, draw attention can help make your outfit of the day really stand out from everyone else's.